and Sambia Kosunan saying, oh, South Africa. South Africa, yeah. I'm a Bright Kankam Boadu of PFM. Any the now Obiri Boahen. Akasafa home. Bright Kankam Boadu, I don't share number one say, Asama Obiri Boahen can come here, say, no, even so South Africa, yana. Because Lawyer Obiri Boahen, Eka June 4th for one some. The Inti and Ne, Mebuno, and Ninjimaya, but Yan Kai June 4th. Impo, Yan Kai, the Chere, any dear, at the Bregana. Sa Sona, Etie, ene, Eo, South Africa. Mumientia Sama, Bright Kankam Boadu Kaye. Na Mumientia Sama, Lawyer Obiri Boahen so Kaye, na Yendin Komokakra.
Julius Melema Bisa see me say, someone say, yeah, Juma Juma or Ghana, South Africa. Is a Ghana for any pomely pack over 300 people on fire. 300 jobs in South Africa from Enamoye. South Africa is a country that struggled with apartheid. The whole of Africa supported South Africa. All videos we are covering Nigeria for the Kosho Pride. As much as I don't condone violence, but sometimes you
leave people with no option.
Oh yes, sir. Nipa any option be than to retaliate. So what you say?
Oh, yeah, Bema be them.
Sure. Stories not about says Botswana for be deny. Yes, Zimbabwe for some mad tracks be creating and all be denied. But what can Ghana do? What can Ghana do? Right? Yet your memory so the past so you say a Ghanaian hospitality. Sure. There are over 200 businesses in Ghana owned by South Africans. From energy, mining, telecommunication, hospitality, banking. Ghana for Indian say we be but there's no way better answer. And we will never attack any foreign national because the entity is sabi nyansa. Nyansani bienu, and I repeat, Nyansani bienu yase. I'll be distancing Huna, South Africa for you.
To the highest.
Yet we see we answer, Mammy Hoppers, that is all to Kuma. Sir, Nagana Hakas here walk it to a lot of the officers could be so much way. The Kumasi Mos, we South Africa companies who make Jakai. Surprise, you know, there. I didn't know making money from here to take it to South Africa. That is why I feel that if we're Ghanaian today, one of the things also champion here, Ghana ni businessman, foreigner. Except when the Ghanaian doesn't have the capacity to do it. Right? Minim say bimu ye and Goldfields, Takwa Mines. Who's on the list next year? Almost there is no way they are giving up the mines. Oma Trump government is almost up at 20 years account. Right? Yeah, man, won't give it up. So Oman say the only person who can do that mine is Ibrahim Mahama.
Yeah.
If you go to Takwa Mines today, they have over 202 dump trucks there, owned all by Ibrahim Mahama. About 9 huge excavators, $9 million and $10 million. About 9 of them in Ibrahim Mahama there. All the drillers, all the so now Oman will say government wants to give it to Ibrahim Mahama. And now the man Ibrahim Mahama and so a chance government between negotiate a bigger percentage. When you go for Ghana 10% pay. Yeah, the man yeah, the moment say you 3 million to 4 million. I stand for question, but 30 years and the mines na mama. You've been mining, one over Capre mine. And Ibrahim Mahama the man. Ononya na so called Dama mines. Or 221 kilograms of gold, not gold money. Also, didn't gold more. So they best strengthening it, city, no, any economy, no. Then also in their supporting. Forget about say we MPP, we NDC, president, yeah, anyone why. We should support the Ghanaian to be powerful. Na Ghana Kenya, the richest man in Africa, na Ghana and Libya second. Kenya, you're proud of it. Says any panel. He will build businesses in Ghana for Ghanaians to benefit.
South Africa,
South Africa, Then the South Africa ni no ni chrome for pamko for free komo. So my baby Joe Medumano. On West in the Bose, yeah, mines na o chrome atakwa mines na Ghana for the no giving me up up 20 years account. Take cheek of it.
Bondo.
say ye minor ye Ghana for the bam krum no musi ye no kwan se be krum
ama say ye Cambodia for say Ghana for so
said you musi boom kofo amenre asemre chi so omako schools
no sa video no
en kran kitu mu coast
foreign nationals no mu nyina mfiro
Ghana kukuru 1 million ade maamo some go fight apartheid
gave you passports
ya maamo passports some because those freedom fighters no munji min too quiet because he was with a South African passport at that time some British were colonizing eventually the momo Ghanaian passport said be too quiet across Ghana kukuru Ghana sika 1 million maamo other countries did the same for you momo te hosamo panko father ba be jobs then mama be your minds ukruma musimungi aka 1 year ombody legally release as 1 year soon giving it up. I think if we're Ghanaian, let's all rise up and support that gesture by government. Someone just from some, yatis or for some president, na ba, ye bump you have a sign. Science and renew, go for say, you know. Oman penny, yes, so, ye do. Ne do wa any one hanka, Ghana had the South Africa, you know. Because Ghanaians will not accept it. Papa, yes, you are born in your way. Obi a foreign company be okrumi on the lease be ubiano. Nancy Hena say lease no. Sa Ghana ni company be what the capacity to do it. Give it to the Ghanaian. Now the young man we are not the hard and say a lot of the politicians. I don't know be no dream. They be Americans be a politician ye or the channel. No politician be or the channel. Unless a politician is a businessman already before getting into politics. But a lot of the people now only a Jumadan Onyeska. A good or the two bank first deposit no dinga kaka. But any businessman scar he looks at creating more business opportunities for no BB companies, no BB we. It imagine say you see it maybe ever say Ghana bauxite, your mom be a Ghanaian company, your Ghana manganese Ghanaian company. Oh my can you say because and go for be trained and young we. But South Africa is not a first xenophobic attack on you. This is about the 5th time. Omo ye bia no baby poma no sa girl no
I'm so be too quiet
sa girl no no say Ghana for overreact it yam premium ko Ghana for only said there was a Ghanaian your Ghana for be or worry on the South African ya worry on ma ya pamne fiku mo mbese ko ye dia de Nigeria for fasam jo all the Nigeria for so bright all the money so bright I am sure say and ho even though say it's not right, but you're so far to the Bema. You'll get to a point in time where once a Ghana service is free with South Africa because you come.
Yes.
Because they don't need us there.
No, we don't need them here.
Yes, we don't need them here.
Yeah.
Because clearly that is the picture they are painting to the whole world. Every day we say Ghana, oh my God, someone kakaka and kakaka. I know say very difficult. You are building entire lives. Oh. You do what you be so the bear, you know, the family be comfortable. You say they was setting up ground. Yeah. But you say baby, I do know.
All or not, or only baby.
It's mummy support.
To me, you know, the whole situation of this apartheid, maybe African countries, South Africans, and put a come in a form of solidarity, no. So solidarity, no, and the empathy, and the sympathy, no. This current generation, so present day generation, you know, omonkayo, and so sikabi the command when they were in distress, when they were in serious situation or discomfort, no. The situation can be likened to June 4th. Saying the next generation and Ghana Mabunim Ranti Yesifa June 4th. Obimpo Kayumpo. Obimpo Kai the entire run is here June 4th. Obimpo Kai the entire run is here June 4th. Obiampo Kai. Enti and there will be a Kotwa Bama MPP and SNDC and yet June 4th won't worry. And there will be a one mobile Ghana. Oh, among your same on Kaidi Intia, ye probity and accountability. And then Nasif Woko for June 4th by as soon fast one and Kai, there were excesses. Mommy Intia, Lawyer Obiri Boahen, na Chila Wadjane. Lawyer Obiri Boahen, Casawia, Mammy Tia Wadjane.
na June 4th you
see foko say you ka June 4th asema nka ye ka June 4th foko say we ka June 4th asema na nka ya ase a nkwada nyina ene mpanyimfo ne obia woma ne benwo be wom so a na woma yawo wom na wom ye nkwada wom a yawo wom na wom ye nkwada no certainly no wom anya knowledge of June 4th man wom ni efi from 18 years ekon wahu wom na wom ni efi from 18 years ekon bedie bihuye na enra achi ayedi June 4th no adisuade a mepese wiase nyina eti ase ne se adisuade a mepese wiase nyina eti ase ne se foko se ekoba se se yem nyina yemisa ye ho se June 4th eba na se June 4th eba na who will be spared? Would I, me Obiri Boahen, would I be spared or I will not be spared? Would Kwajo be spared? Would Kwabena be spared? Would Kwaku be spared? June 4th na yedino. Media na nke ni se NDC from kwa na esom di June 4th. Ese ye nyina ye di June 4th. June 4th ayi na be di ye no. Se koba se NDC for to wo nsa Efrem ya. Ba na ho no nka mekobi. Nka meko na me no wo makwa di June 4th. So omoto wo nsa frame. Or banahon nkameko because
lawyer no Obiri Boahen.
Yeah, June 4th is not meant for only NDC. June 4th is meant for all of us. Ghana Nibia. Eba ni say na June 4th buy. Adisuade be na yesu free June 4th. Nimdia be na ye free June 4th. Na nhyehyeye be na ye free June 4th. That was the lesson. You know. June 4th, there were excesses. There were excesses. Because the abakosem of June 4th. Ebine esen. You know, 30th March 1978. No moto union government abano.
Union government?
Yes, 30th March 1978. Now moto union government abano. Now, wamoto abano 30th March 1978 in ewie no. Wamoto abano 30th March 1978 ewie no. You know what happened? Ansana bebe to abano. Now manfo bebre empene so say union government na ebeba so. Because a manfo who say union government na hyehyɛ na ne be ye no. Enyina nipa bebre so but a champion no force no the asheni panko. Foko on 18th December 1977 a free fire of Akatachie farms Ochro letter at the command at the say or the command Rollins no or the command champion a free fire Koma a champion. A free faka say 18 December 1977. Oja letter na Okatachi Farms. Sana address here. Okatachi Farms. P.O. Box so and so. 18 December 1977. Kohe letter no kane. Mwa mutie mi obi ankope letter ne bi nkane. A free faka say look a champion. Said the man ko any shayna yaye no. I am penso Ghana from penso. So one sheye ne da chibi. So jani bi fatuo na otu aban no gua. Me no mienu nyina om de ebe gina ho aboye tu. This was This was the 18th December 1977 contained in the west of Free Falleton. Me go copy in the west of a free letter. Me go copy. Now, any pay union government no. 30th March 1978 Alberto sa abano uti Justice Aban no hwe abano so no odwane ko ball ne ho abo na Justice Aban ko ball ne ho abo nu ne e ba ye ne sen e ba se a kire no Justice Aban ko ball abo ne nkrofo no o mo ba be hia e champon and Justice Aban oba no Roman Catholic Amisa and Methodist awotwe prat omna di Justice Aban by men kan tia for so by a union government oma ban People's Movement for Freedom and Justice oma ban People's Movement for Freedom and Justice has been banned. So when it was banned what was happening yana air cost so they say a champion union government ababe. So May 15th, so right in 19 that was so in 1970 almost to abano 78. Then in July, police coup here. Akufu number a champion was forced to resign. So yeah, through 1st January 1978, Akufu Kase. Yebeko civilian government. Okase yebeko civilian government. Na yebeko civilian government no so no. Yebe to aban in June 1978. Or 1979. So people started and formed political parties. June 4 for one some America by you. So 15th May 1979, there was an uprising. 15th May 1979, Jerry John Rawlings struck here. On struck here na anye yenu. You know, first on answer ye. On struck here no anye yenu. Na omo echen. Then he was court-martialed. When you court martial now or my no, so soldier for say, we be near to you are court martialed. You do us. Now, bed in Assam, no, Beguswa bed in Assam. Now, Rollins, I don't attend the probably so, be two or much ama Rollins. Rollins was bold enough to say, or my woman didn't can home. The can say, one more you do or my seminal. Munya womu me Rollins me and me are responsible yes muye piano munya womu so Rollins the better Rollins them are better no then there were the signs because no am catch you am say someone nyai Rollins oh munya Rollins assembly. Then on June 4th, but you know, let us be honest and sincere. June 4th, I didn't see you. No Rollins them. I have watched no ko yi Rollins. Eti ye ka June 4th pa abakosema media mamunyina no. Media abakosem na ba say ye ka the architect of June 4th. Na nye Jerry John Rollins. Then they brought Rollins to announce. Now Rollins here announcement no. Later there was a counter announcement by Soja anyway no for Volta region. Obeye
Chikata no man.
Obeye Kwashiga.
Courage Kwashiga.
Kwashiga.
What a Greek minister of
yes, he foiled it. He foiled it. Then around 3:30 p.m. Joshua Midunum can say, I don't know, afa. That was Jerry John Rawlings of June 4th, 1970. It will be a weekend piano. So I'm not June 4th. For me, as a scholar, for me as a lawyer, for me as a historian, permit me to say, June 4th, no, I want near
the positive side and then the negative side.
Negative side.
Okay.
I want near no one near. That is my personal view. There were excesses. But the positive side is saying June 4th no injected into our body politics no June 4th no and the bibi be wura politics him say your man no koreka pepper ye you should be disciplined you should be forthright you no go sit down ma be insisidi. So if anything at all June 4th the bibi papa bi e bae but June 4th the born so bae ya gege sika fo sika ya gege wo madwuma ya pra binum ya kumo binum ya ha binum ya gege binum adwuma some of them wo mo ebinum from bo e wo wiase any June 4th akan from titro bebre wo mo from bo boache matres na na bi papa a very rich man tata brewi sian am say kwawni ona na ye bie entinka bie yi samre no na sian songu salt na magdan
ye no
na ye ayini akanni apentenom no so in honesty June 4th and 31st ebe hab akanfo esikafo no bebre 12th and 31st also no ebe the nipa we somewhere part to the state a champon utuka amedumi kote yabuache name them bebre we na kwadra be bo be no a se be disika be we no nipa bebre di brosa MPP tamo NDC tamo bebre wies kan chanesa MPP tamo NDC tamo bebre bokro no chanesa MPP tamo NDC tamo bebre yazan chanesa so June 4th and 31st no yeah but the lessons General Mosquito say baswa and kameme no mienu bebeku ya na benku ye. But for me, I will not support to say argument to say binumbe ka say na soja formra na no be can Ezra TV.
I know the me just say me gidi say
I will not support that.
Men support to
that,
support
that mo de mo yan tinam aya da mfie nan ebeba mo ma ye nye bibi say press mra soja mra that be
I know dear.
In our state of despondency and frustration, more beyond cancer asem no.
Ya na ko for the tutu na Burkina na dabi.
More beyond cancer asem no. Mama yanka yanyintum se yaman asem for no. MPP fo, NDC fo, fakase be di enhwamo. Mimi nyi twi nyadoa. Because a lot of MPP for no boa ma niema koso. A lot of NDC for boa ma niema koso. A lot of MPP for di Ghana nhwammo. A lot of NDC for di Ghana nhwammo. A lot of things happen in another time one. Na ni sesi. Sika ye de baba ye asori. Wa unya michire. Nyama bebre na nye.